The Stars of Faith, highlighting the significance of faith and belief in navigating life's journey and finding inner strength amidst uncertainty. One autumn evening, Samuel and Lily sat on a park bench, gazing up at the evening sky adorned with sparkling stars. Lily was filled with wonder as she looked at the vastness of space and all the twinkling lights. She turned to her grandfather and asked, "Grandpa, why do the stars shine so brightly?" Samuel smiled and said, "The stars shine because of the power of faith. Just as the stars are a reminder of something greater than ourselves, faith is also a reminder that there is something good in the world, even when things are tough. Faith gives us hope and strength when we need it most." After a little thought, Lily asked, "Grandpa, what is faith?" Samuel was surprised by this little girl's question, but he smiled within and blessed her. He said, "Faith is believing in something even when you can't see it. It's trusting that something good will happen even when things are tough. Faith can give you hope, strength, and guidance when you need it the most." Samuel continued, "Faith is a powerful force that can help people overcome any challenge. It can give you the strength to keep going when you want to give up. It can give you the hope to believe in a better future, and it can give you the guidance to make the right choices in life. If you're looking for a way to improve your life, I encourage you to develop your faith. It is a gift that can help you achieve anything you set your mind to." Lily thought about what her grandfather had said. She had always wondered about faith, but she had never really understood it before. But now she could see how faith could be a powerful force in people's lives. "Thank you, Grandpa," she said. "I think I understand faith a little better now." Samuel smiled again and said, "You are welcome, Lily. I'm always glad to talk to you about faith." Lily and Samuel continued to sit on the bench, gazing up at the stars. Lily felt a sense of peace and contentment as she looked at the twinkling lights. She knew that no matter what challenges she faced in life, she would always have her faith to guide her. Thanks a lot for watching this. If you admire what you see, please consider subscribing. It is absolutely free to you, but it helps us to make more such videos. I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.